before everything just went
It is
blank.
cold. Well, what is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is early in the morning and we is going to another Cars and Coffee today. It is out in Gardena area. I've actually never been to this one either, so we're gonna go see what's up. Running late, so as always, nothing new with me, guys. Let's get that cold start. Oh yeah, and look, bro. I just got the light on yesterday for my service. I need to do my oil change ASAP. It is cold, bro, but the sky is looking beautiful for this morning. Once again, guys, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to another video, and I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last video. As always, you guys are always showing love, and I truly appreciate it. And we're almost at 2,000 subscribers, bro, which is insane, guys, and I truly appreciate it. So thank y'all for who's been rocking with your boy, watching the videos. I've been trying to entertain y'all guys, trying to change it up a little bit, but even if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. We have officially got here. We got the boy Carlo and his Agile kit right here. We got me. We got the boy D and the Toms. But the other homie right here in his Pandem wide body kit. And then this one is Street Hunter kit, but it's molded on, which is insane. Just look at that rear. Look at that rear, how it looks. That's crazy how he molded this thing on here. Just crazy. But this thing is sick. Oh, the condensation. That's why I didn't want to do that, because of the condensation. Shit. And this guy got NOS or what? Nah, it's his air suspension, but he gave it that NOS look. That's sick. Damn, bro, the end of his panel kit. Crazy. Damn, look at that exhaust tip. Bro, your exhaust tip is huge. What the fuck? I just noticed that, bro. That is a massive ass exhaust tip. Nah, son, nah, that is crazy. I don't even think mine's that big. That's insane. This shit is tough, though. Everybody's just chilling here, though. We all just, people still rolling in too, so we'll probably walk in a little bit right now, but just kind of just letting cars settle in. Midnight Purple R34. That's tough. The R35 over here. The R34 over here. Then they're gonna park side by side, only right. Yeah, that shit is clean, man. Bro, look at the front end on this R34. Woo. That shit is tough, bro. The whole Nismo stuff. Damn, this shit is clean. Not even gonna lie. Yeah, I was watching his videos yesterday, actually. That's funny. He's the one who does the series customer complaints. Or fails or whatever it is. Then we got two more other Supras. We got one in this, frozen blue, which looks dope. And then we got the new one. I honestly don't know what the color is on this one, but you got the black TEs, or Advance, I mean. And bro, look at the seats he has. You got the G80 comp seats inside the Supra, which is so tough, bro. That is so sick. Clean Lexus, slammed on the Meisties. I like it a lot. There you go. Oh, I like it. And I saw this one rolling in, the RX-7. This one's tough. On the BBS's. I like the cherry red hidden. We got the R34 right here. Then we got the 300 right here. This is clean. The twin turbs. This is tough. You can never go wrong with a 300ZX. And then the R34, of course. Midnight Purple. Look at the crowd it's drawn. Damn, this thing is dummy clean. Look at the wheels, the SSRs. Damn, this thing is beautiful. Single turbo, titanium. This thing is tough, bro. Even the bride seats, everything about this car is beautiful. Damn. More over here, we got Datsuns over here. I've actually never seen these Datsuns. Like, at least these models. This thing is sick, low key. I'm not gonna lie to you. I only know the Datsun trucks, but I didn't even know about this. See, this is why I like coming to meets like this, bro, because you see things like this. Like, I didn't even know what this was. I didn't even know they had Datsuns like this. Look at this. Look at that windshield. And then this Camaro SS. Mean. Gives me Too Fast, Too Furious vibes. But you get that out of a cereal box? It is tough. We got the F82, clean. We got the Subi, clean. We got the Porsche Integra S2000. First gen Supra. You guys correct me. First or second gen? I'm not sure. I forgot. Then we got the yellow banana NSX with the white TEs. You guys already know how I feel about the white wheels. I feel like getting a pair of TEs, some white ones. But what in the Meet the Robinsons do we have over here? But look at this Impala. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful. Look at the interior in there. This is what I like. All that paint they do and extra work. That thing is so clean. Look at the wheels. He even did the same thing with the wheels. Damn. This ain't even an Impala. I could be wrong, but damn. But look at this. What the hell do we have over here? I'm telling you, bro, this looks like a big shoe. This is insane. It looks like a bumper cart, literally. Like you connect the thing and it just bumper carts. What in the world am I looking at, bro? Just look at this. What? What is this based off of? Fiat. So this is a Fiat interior. That is insane, bro. I wonder how long this took him to build. Crazy. Literally a bumper cart. That's like the perfect explanation. A bumper cart. So sick. As we keep walking, we see this nice 400 Nismo. This is clean. On the SSRs with the red headlights. This is nice. I actually like this. It'd be these Mercedes, bro, that I'd be liking. Like something about this body kit and like this model itself just looks so good. Gives me like that ASAP Rocky vibes. This one needs a lot of TLC, you feel me? But it's still sick though, just to see them like this. We got a lot more cars down the road. I mean, it is still early, guys. It is only like, I think, about to be 8. So I've only been here for like an hour or like even 45 minutes at that. Seen just walking by, some couple heavy hitters, but might get some coffee and some burrito because I'm hungry. Damn, that top. Damn. Oh, E92. Jeez, that chop though on that Camaro. Damn. Living that low life for so. But you guys know how I feel about my white on whites. We got this E90 over here, E92. I love me white on whites, bro. You could just never go wrong with it. Damn, man, it looks so good. And then I think we got like a Hako. I don't know if it's real or not. Damn. I don't think this is a real one, but it could be. The Hako GTR, right-hand drive too. Damn, this thing is nice. Woo. You see the skyline, the GTR. Damn, bro, I think it might be a real one. I don't even know. I don't know. It looks so good that it might be real, but I could be wrong. RX-7. Damn, look at all that chrome. Thing is glistening. I heard this one pulling in and it was chopping. This thing is nice. Got the NOS bottle. Oh my. This is tough, bro. The whole nitrous bottle just peeking through the back. I don't think it's connected, but that is insane. Bro, I just saw this. Look at the turbo. Bad old turbo. Damn. Alright, this Supra is white on white, but look at this. This is one reason why I don't want to go white wheels. The brake dust, bro, on the Supras is just insane. It's horrible. Look at that. So this is one reason why I'd probably like not want to do white on white, but I want to do white on white so bad. I just have to change my brake pads to get some like that don't throw out so much brake dust, bro. But white on white, it just hits, but when they're dirty, it does not. This Celica right here is sick, bro. GTS convertible. What, bro? This is sick. This is baller. Look at the interior, how it looks. Bro, this is sick. Whole ass Toyota right here, bro. Damn. I love the front end of this. This looks really good. Next to the wagon. That's tough. I'd be saying that's tough a lot, guys. I'm sorry. Bumping some Larry June. Ooh, that's a vibe, bro. That is a vibe. We got a nice MR2 over here. This is clean. I'm gonna check this out with the clear tails. All right. Ooh, nice. This is really clean, bro. I like this. So nice in here. Damn, the baby seat. I like that. Very clean, bro. Oh, they popped open the hood. Let's see what we got in here. Oh. Wow. So this is what they got inside this, huh? All right. Very nice. Damn, look at this NSX. You guys usually see this one everywhere with the Sinister in the bottom, but this one's usually at every show. I've seen this one at Wreckfest before too. I think it has the arcade strut bars. Yep, I figured. But damn, this thing is sick, bro. Every time I look at it, it's insane. Look at the engine bay with the chrome roof scoop. Crazy, bro. That rear end just hits. Whole ass race car. Woo-wee. Next to the GTR R34. My gosh. They just popping out today, huh? This looks like a GTT though. I think this is a R34 GTT. I think so. I could be wrong, but I think it is. Because I think that might be it. But that front end is beautiful. And look at the green carbon mirrors. Damn. You know, those ain't cheap. Damn, look at this front end. So we've been just pretty much chilling right here. Got the whole homies right here next to the Supras. But pretty nice little turnout. I think
the Hot Wheels Racing Tournament is set to begin in just 30 minutes. Sign-ups are still open and there are still plenty of spaces available for anyone who would like to join in today's race.
Nobody wants to join the race on your Hot Wheels, buddy. Sorry. Ooh, sounds so good, bro. That chop. Damn. That is music to my ears, bro. Timeout. When did this R32 get here? I didn't even see this thing. What the hell? On the white TEs? Oh, the white Nismos. My fault. My fault. But damn. I didn't even see this R32 pull up. This thing is clean. The paint is busting. Next to the RX-7 with the BBSs. This thing is clean. Setting up his GoPro. I mean, is this the 360? About to get all the head turns when he leaves.
Day 2.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back. As you guys can see, I am starting it on the phone because you guys know me. I always forget my SD card. I was in a rush this morning. I was headed to work and I forgot my SD card. I was plugged into the computer, grabbed my camera and everything, but the SD card, as always. But we are headed to PQ Performance right now because your boy needs an oil change. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do right now. I am overdue for an oil change. I was gonna do it with myself, but I will do it next time. The next oil change, I will do it myself. I just gotta buy the low profile jack, the oil kit and all that. I just kind of don't have time for it because after I'm done with PQ, I'm headed straight to Irvine for a little in and out basketball tournament for my job. So that's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me on that too. And we possibly might have a little photo shoot later. I don't know. I gotta hit up the boy Brent, see if he's down, because I'm gonna be in his area, so we'll see. But I'm actually thinking of finding a Target or something right now to go buy an SD card, because my other SD card is full anyways. So if I can find a Target nearby the shop, I'll probably just stop by and go buy one. But if you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day or night, whatever time you guys are watching this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, my boy, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family. And yeah, thankfully there's no traffic right now. I hope I don't catch traffic to Irvine. So the only thing that sucks about this, doing the in-and-out basketball, is like I have to be there all day. So I won't be home till like maybe 10 or 11 p.m. Who knows? I hope it ain't late. We is here. Damn. We is here at PQ, about to get the oil change in. But bro, they got this whole G80 torn apart, which is crazy. Insane. But damn, the booper look good, bro. The booper look good. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah. She glistening. She glistening. Yeah, so what I was just told is that they're moving shops, so they're basically getting everything out of here. That's why they have no posts or anything like that here. And yeah, they're moving shops. They just showed me a video of how it looks, and it looks pretty dope. I mean, it's a way bigger spot than this, but good for them, bro. You know, they moving up. They went from that one first spot when we took the M340i, then this spot, and now they got a bigger spot. That's what's up, bro. They've been putting in a lot of work. Bro, I'm sure you guys know this Supra. Damn, bro, this is Ray's Supra. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but it's part of FaZe Clan. And I think he's rewrapping his whole car, but damn, they took off the wide body kit and everything. And this is how it looks right now. Sheesh. It used to be green, like this. But we'll see what color he goes with now. But damn, bro, them fucking tires is thick. Sheesh, bro. Those are some fatties. But here's the, you know, PQ parking lot. Like I said, this is in the process of moving too, like they said, so a lot of this stuff is gonna be gone and moved to the other shop pretty soon. So as y'all can see right now, they're doing the oil change, and you guys can also see that I'm recording with my phone still because I still haven't gone to a Target yet. There was no Target or anything nearby, so I just was like, fuck it. Damn, bro, my camera be so my car be so photogenic, but I did just wash it too, so that also helps. She glistening though. Now this one has this whip here too. Damn. So this was probably just whipping this Porsche right now, huh? Because he got this one right here. This is the homie Rico's. This was just texting me too. He said this is his car and this 240. That's 240 is already a single turbo too. So fast boy, we got dandies right here too. Damn. We got this. About to head up out of here though. And then we got fresh kicks right behind them with the 340. But yeah, we about to get up out of here. They already finished up, did my oil change. Shout out to PQ Performance. Time to dip. Alright, so I still am recording with my phone, but I got me some Chick-fil-A because we was about to go play some basketball for our In-N-Out tournament, but I am hungry, bro. And I'm actually about to meet up with the homie Brent with his other A90 Supra. He has a matte black with yellow headlights. You guys saw it at San Diego Beamers, but we're about to get a nice little shoot up here right now, just waiting for him. He's about to pull up, but I'm hungry, so I'm about to munch real quick. I think he's coming up right now. I can hear him. Let's see. I hear him in the garage, bro. Let's get out the car. You see this guy, bro? He's doing fucking pops in here. What a fucking guy. Let's wait. What a fucking guy, bro. This dude is a chill. This guy sure knows how to make an entrance. What up, G? Chillin'? Damn, she look good, dude. She look good. Fuck.
1 hour later.
So I never got the SD card, so I'm still vlogging with my phone, but we have left PQ, like I said, and we have been now here playing some basketball, like I said, for In-N-Out. We've been playing a couple of games with the homies. These are co-workers right here. And yeah, right now we're 1-1. It's best 2 out of 3. This was never seen me vlog, so he's like tripping out. Oh, glad. Look at Patrick Star, look at that. So we finally headed home. As you guys can see, I am on the freeway. And it was a cool little turnout, nice little event that In-N-Out always hosts. They do like soccer, softball, basketball, even golf. But yeah, wanted to do the basketball tournament this year. Just play a little bit. Unfortunately, we lost the last game, so we were 1-2 out of the 3 games, which is all good. It is what it is. But I just can't wait to be home. I'm so hungry. We got beautiful LA right here in the back, downtown.